I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Keep on washing.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
Okay, ladies, let's go in with this S-Curl No Drip Curling Activator and hydrate this hair. Girl, I need some volume today. You guys seen that thin hair up there in the beginning of this video. So we're going to go in with this Eco Styling Gel and shingle it through our curls. You just part your hair in the back. If you have thin hair like me, you want to part these parts pretty thick. And now you're going to go in with some homemade clip-ins. You can do this yourself. This hair was so inexpensive. It's called Jerry Curl Hair. I went ahead and sewed my own clip-ins in, and I love to add these in between my hair to give it volume. So I'm going in and I'm trying to cut these clip-ins as close to the length of my hair as possible. You be careful when doing this and do not cut your hair. Make sure you are watching what you're doing in this step because you can easily cut your own hair. So once you get the clip-in in, you're going to add that Eco Styling Gel, shingle it through the clip-ins, trim off any excess hair, and then you're just going to scrunch the hair together, and you're going to continue to repeat these steps until you finish off the hair all the way to the top. As you can see, I'm shingling and scrunching the hair together and just trimming and clipping, and you just want to continue on repeating this process. This method is super easy and it's definitely safe as a traction alopecia alternative hairstyle. The clip-ins are not damaging to your hair. They're very gentle. I don't have any tension or pain. It's not pulling or tugging on my hair. So this is definitely a safe, protective style. And it also gives lots of volume to anyone that has fine, thin hair like myself. I'm not going for a weave look. I'm going for a very natural look. I'm going for something that mimics my natural hair, and this is the way to go. So I'm just continuing on and hydrating and repeating. I do love to take that Eco Gel and put it on the roots of my hair, and I do that so that the hair doesn't frizz from the roots of my hair when it dries. Sometimes that frizz at the root can kind of make the clip-ins look a little weird when it puffs up. So think about that when you are applying your gel, to make sure to gel down the roots so they don't puff up when you dry your hair. So we're finishing off the top, and I am so thin up in the top, so I'm trying to leave enough hair out so that I can cover up those wefts, as you can see. So this part can get a little tricky, so make sure you're leaving out enough hair. So I have a weird part in the middle kind of thing going on here, so it's a little challenging for me to part, but I got it going right now as best that I can. So we're gonna go with this. So once you get all your clip-ins in, go ahead and add you some little baby hairs, honey, and get your blow dryer out and dry that hair. And we're almost done. You're gonna be so surprised to see the final look. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Look at this hair. I love it. Hairstyle is super cute. I feel good right now. Hello, beautiful people. I have some exciting news for you today. Your girl is an author, and I have a new book coming out called The Hidden Beauty: Transforming Through Traction Alopecia, that will be coming out on August the 2nd, and it's on Amazon right now on pre-order.
sexy mama with class and more. I'm living Irving, Irving. I'm living